Okay, I guess we'll do a quick walking tour of what's been happening in the backyard. Near the two big oak trees, we've been trying to dig it down. Coming over here, you see we got the patio in. Got a couple of tiki torches. That's to kind of help keep bugs away and give some light. Coming around, we got the walkway and the scallops going all the way to the door on the front porch. Then those trees over there, finally found out what they're called. They're called red robin or photinia. It comes around to the waterfall, and then some more landscaping all the way around to the bird bath that we turned into a fountain, and back over here to what I'm guessing is another oak tree. This may be going bye-bye, we don't know yet. And then we're back around to the big mama oak trees. Here's his buddy. You notice he's kind of bending over away from the camera. You look down here, there's a big ridge in the yard where the root is starting to pull up because the tree is leaning. That happened when Hurricane Irma came around. And here's another view of the patio. And as you can see, the ground is completely bare with a few little shoots of green. So my brother Steve has ordered that stuff that you see on TV called hydromoose. You know, that stuff you hook to the hose that sprays out green with grass seed. Yeah, it's supposed to give you a lawn in a week. We'll find out. Alright, that's the latest update. Bye. Okay, this is an update on the backyard project. Don't remember how long it's been, probably about a year. But as you can see, we have some chairs out here. What used to be bare ground is now all grass. And we have a complete patio set. And things filled out nicely. As we come around, you can see we've got the ferns have grown in. The fountain is going. We got our little bunnies. And over here is the waterfall. And even the waterfall has buddies on it. We've got over here is Sir Croakington. He's filling his bowl. And down here we've got Toby the turtle. He's going up trying to eat some of them ferns. The ferns have kind of been taken over a little bit. These are the photinias, or red robins. The stairs going into the patio, or I should say the screen porch. And our flower bed in front of the screen porch is no longer empty. What are these called, Steve?
Texas sage.
We got 2 bushes of Texas sage that we planted in here. They seem to like it a lot. We come over here back to the patio area, and as you can see, the grass is filled in nicely everywhere. And there's the other chairs. And over here, between the two big oak trees, now there was a bicycle there at one time, but as you can tell, the vines that normally grow on the trees, well, we kind of peeled them off and put them on the bike, and look what they've done. It's turned into a whole thing all of its own. I don't know if you can tell, but the grapefruit tree has grapefruits on it.